Welcome to our guide on waxing girl legs, focusing on safe tips for sensitive hot zones. In this video, we'll cover proper techniques, safety tips, and post-care to ensure a smooth and glowing result. Before you start waxing, it's crucial to prep your skin. Cleanse the area thoroughly and exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. This helps the wax adhere better and reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. When applying the wax, make sure it's at the right temperature. Test a small amount on your wrist to avoid burns. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and press the strip firmly. Hold your skin taut and pull the strip quickly against the direction of hair growth. After waxing, soothe your skin with a cooling gel or aloe vera. Avoid hot showers, tight clothing, and direct sunlight for at least 24 hours. Moisturize regularly to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips. Happy waxing!